This is the final update on the return of our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, from the United States, where he has been for the last 6 weeks. We confirm that His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua will touch down at noon at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi and will be received by thousands of Kenyans at the airport. In the event that his plane gets diverted to either Kisumu or Mombasa, he will still be received by our supporters in those respective cities, and we have made adequate plans and alternative logistics to that effect. In any case, we are aware that the instructions from Mr. William Ruto are still active. Aside, as announced earlier, once our party leader touches down, we shall have a peaceful procession into the Nairobi Central Business District and address our supporters and the people of Kenya at various stopovers. We have advised the National Police Service through various OCS accordingly and given a copy of the advisory to the Independent Police Oversight Authority. To the Independent Police Oversight Authority, you are aware that the opposition has been a major victim of police brutality across the country with no action from your end. If it is forgotten, I invite you to recall instances of police brutality and assassination attempts on His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua and his allies. On 28th November 2024, at a solemn funeral service in Limuru, Kiambu, our party leader was attacked. On 28th December 2024 in Shamata, Nyandarua County, on 18th January 2025 at Kamkunji grounds in Nyeri town, where Pastor Dorcas Rigathi was in attendance, our party leader was attacked. On 29th March 2025, at the SEK St. Peter's Cathedral in Nyeri, at a prayer service attended by Pastor Dorcas Rigathi, we were attacked. On 29th March 2025, in Naivasha town, during a church service, you sent goons to attack us. On 6th April 2025, at a church service at PCA Kasarani East Parish at Mwiki in Nairobi County, the Nairobi governor sent goons to attack our party leader. You are also aware that the security agencies have been trailing His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua at home and also in the US, and in particular on 19th of December 2024, a National Intelligence Service officer with a fake car number plate, KCR 919U, trailed our party leader to Makueni for reasons best known to him and his masters. Take note that we are well informed and we know that tomorrow national security agencies will be in tow both at the airport and during the procession. As such, we want to make this clear. We are a peaceful people, and our meet and greet the Nairobi people tomorrow is as such. Unfortunately, last night, we have been informed that the Nairobi County Governor, in cohorts with the CS for Interior, Mr. Kipchumba Murkomen, held several meetings and have activated their state-sponsored goons to cause harm to innocent citizens. This is being done by one Chief of Staff, one David, in connection with the following members of parliament: George Aladwa and the Dagoretti North MP, Mama Beatrice Elachi. The duo have expressed instructions to the goons to loot, destroy property, and harm people, and then blame it on DCP and its members. Please, Mr. Murkomen and Mr. Sakaja, do not burn down our country with your irresponsibility and carelessness. If you do not know Mr. William Ruto, he will leave you the way he has left MPs with an egg on their faces. You will be used and dumped. Ask some of us. We call on the Nairobi business community to protect their property because the government has hired militia to wreak havoc in the CBD and its environs. We also want to caution trigger-happy police officers who might be tempted to join the killing macabre and shooting spree to know that the law, and I repeat, the law will get you into the dock alone. Do not take any unlawful instructions from your seniors. We urge the people of Kenya and the peaceful supporters of DCP to be at the airports as from 8 a.m. to receive our leader. This is the return of our king. To the government of Kenya, please note that JKIA is a public property and not anybody's personal airport. We remind you that the people of Kenya stopped you when you wanted to sell our airport. And tomorrow, the 21st day of August 2025, we shall be there in our numbers to receive our king. Thank you. Good.